You go out for the spelling bee? Charlie Brown, you'll just make a fool of yourself. Besides that, you're bound to be a complete failure.
You never do anything right. You never put anything in its place. No wonder everyone calls you Failure Face. You're so impossibly dumb. In history books, your name they'll erase. Or else they're bound to call you Failure Face. And in the race to be stupid, you set a brand new kind of pace. We'd like to christen you Charlie Failure Face.
By golly, I'll show 'em.